the world are celebrated with light. And the same is true here in Anandapur. For this is the season of the Hindu celebration, Diwali, which we call the Festival of Light. This year, Diwali falls on November 7th through the 12th. And all across India, there are different stories of Diwali. But what they all have in common is the triumph of light over darkness and the celebration of good over evil. We decorate our homes with beautiful marigolds and elaborate rangoli designs. We perform puja or worship, offering prayers with clay lamps called diyas to remember how light guides our way.
An explorer is a friend to all.
An explorer is a friend to all.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
Be it plant or fish or tiny mole.
The wilderness must be explored. Caw, caw, roar.
The wilderness must be explored.
Caw, caw, roar.
Caw, caw, roar.
Wonderful job. Give yourselves a hand.
Fine food. Hey, nobody can see up there. Do you want to come right on up here for us, bud? Yeah, you're hiding under the rock now. But it's pretty amazing. They eat lots of things, whatever they can find down there. It's pretty amazing what they eat. And there are lots of different species of groundhog, each eating lots of different things, living on the ground, living up in the air. Can you come up wherever? You're just walking in circles now. He's just finding treats. They have great eyesight, so as they walk around on the ground, they prevent dust from getting in their eyes with really long eyelashes. They're absolutely gorgeous when you see them up close. Do you want to come up here? Do you want to come and watch it all from where you normally stand? No. The birds get to do what they want, yeah. It's a controlled situation. It's just the bird is in control. Yeah, it is. Thank you for coming up there. It's pretty amazing. They spend their time climb on the ground, as I said, they use that big beak like a sledgehammer. Yeah, so it's
Hey,
very
let
strong.
me get my camera.
Your
Camera. Was-
Oh no,
Was
that's
that a
his
camera?
camera.
No, keep wandering this way. Can somebody from the back help me? Yeah, go.
Oh, he is an angry birdie.
No, that's not it. He's not angry. Oh dear.
I'm so sorry about your camera, Russell. Maybe we can fix it.
That's alright.
Do you want to show off a little bit? Or are you going to finish that sunflower seed? All right, you ready to go? Let's show off. You can do it. Ready? Yeah!
Does he take requests?
He's got a pretty short playlist, let's put it that way. But you know what? Groucho, he doesn't know just that one song. He knows 7 different songs from beginning to end. Absolutely amazing. But you know what? This audience has been amazing. Why don't you give him a nice big kiss? Good stuff, that kiss. I got you saying Camptown Races. You do know 6 other songs, so you get to pick whichever one you want to sing, okay? All right, are you ready to go? There we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, your next Amazon.
The Bald Eagle. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like you to meet Hope.
A bald birdie?
Although bald eagles aren't actually bald.
My cousins in the West have told me so much about these birds. She's so majestic.
And inspiring. See, it wasn't that long ago the bald eagle was on the endangered species list. But you see, through conservation efforts, all of us came together to help their populations recover. I'm happy to say the bald eagle is no longer an endangered species.
Must be explored.
Now let's go and have a